Good morning. Happy Wednesday. I just wanted to kind of touch base with you on a few different things. The first thing is today is the deadline to sign up for dual credit. So you do need to go through the process in the announcement. So you'll need to fill out the Excel spreadsheet, and you also need to fill out the information for OTC. You also need to know that you need to sign up as Lindsay Erickson's student. Currently, they do not have me listed as a dual credit instructor. So Lindsay Erickson is who you need to select. Also, I've had a lot of questions on the Desmos codes. Please, when you go into student resources under the modules to find the Desmos codes, the links are not working. So you do need to just go to desmos.com and type in the code into where it says class code to get to the Desmos activities. Also, when you are on WebAssign, please do not hit Ask Instructor. The Ask Instructor does not get to me. I can't see that. I don't know that you're asking questions. If you do have questions, please just make sure that you are sending me an email. If you attach the question to it, it's easier for me to see and to get back to you as fast as I can. One of the questions that I've had this week is on the transformation assignment, which is the shifting and reflecting. So this is an example of one, and I just kind of want to show you what they are looking for. So if we have a graph, and it doesn't matter what your graph is, but it just has to fit the criteria. So it says it's increasing from -infinity to -3. So I'm going to mark -3, so I'm increasing to -3. And then at -3, we then are decreasing. So this might be what it looks like. This is just one example. It could look different. So what you have to do is you have to look at what these are saying. So then it's taking this graph and it's trying to determine, okay, if you do this transformation, what's going to happen? So what this does is it reflects it. It's a reflection over the y-axis. So if we are reflecting this over the y-axis, instead of this vertice right here being at x is -3, you would now be at x is at +3. But that's all it's doing, is it's reflecting over that x-axis. So this reflection would look something like that dotted line. So if that is the case, your increasing and decreasing then would be from -infinity to +3, and then it would be decreasing from 3 to +infinity. Now, the next one, this is a reflection over the x-axis. So then it's taking my picture and it's reflecting it over the x-axis. So it might look more like this. So it's reflecting it over the x-axis. And that's not a great picture, but it kind of gives you an idea. So then what is happening is our increasing and decreasing is changing. It's decreasing from -infinity to -3, and it's increasing then from -3 to infinity. One thing to look at when you are doing increasing, decreasing, they will always use parentheses and not closed brackets. On the next part, this is a stretch of 6. Okay, so it's stretching it out. And by stretching it out, it is not necessarily moving your vertice. So that vertice is still going to be there, but it's stretching and it's kind of making it look skinnier. But your increasing and decreasing in that case are not changing. Now, when you get down to the next one, that is the shift down 3. Again, if you're shifting that function down 3, it's not going to change your increasing and decreasing. I believe the last one, which is hard to see, this is going to change your intervals because you are shifting left 9. So instead of that vertice being here at, say, -3, you're going to the left 9. So then you're going to go over 9 spots to the left. Okay, so I hope that gives you a little insight on how to do that question on the homework. If you do have any questions, please make sure that you're emailing me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good Wednesday.